This is 7 National News, and in our top story, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President, Prime Minister of the UAE and the ruler of Dubai, has praised Mohammed Khamis Khalaf for securing UAE's first gold at Rio Paralympics on Tuesday. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed tweeted, proud of the powerlifter Mohammed Khalaf for winning the gold medal at the Games at Rio de Janeiro. The pride of the UAE, his determination and spirit inspires us all. The 47-year-old lifter Mohammed Khamis, who is a 5-time Paralympian, won gold in great style in the men's 88-kilogram category of the men's powerlifting competition. Commenting on his win, Mohammed Khamis was quoted as saying that he was disappointed in 2012 in London as he could not secure a medal for the UAE. But after 4 years of hard work and training, he will now be able to return to the UAE with a medal. The UAE have so far won 1 gold and 2 silvers in the Games, which ends on the 18th of September. The UAE Embassy in Sudan distributed more than 200 portions of sacrificed meat to about 7,000 people in Khartoum state and refugee camps at Darfur. The gesture was part of an annual program during Eid al-Adha to support underprivileged families in cooperation with Sudanese organizations, associations, and popular committees. According to local reports, a delegation from Sharjah Charity International supervised an Eid al-Adha meat distribution for families in Kassala state, meeting with several officials from the Red Sea and Kassala state. The UAE also delivered aid to the Yemeni city of Al Mukalla to help the country's southern coastal cities that are suffering repeated power failures. The Emirates Red Crescent on Tuesday delivered the aid by relief ship, which unloaded filters and fuel oil at the port of Al Mukalla to help the Hadramaut region to run its generators, reported WAM, the state news agency. Yemeni officials said the latest assistance would ease the suffering of populations who reside in areas liberated from Houthi rebels in the ongoing civil war. The Red Crescent has provided the southern region with a variety of relief, including food aid, establishing health centers, and renovated university housing. A recent study by Dubai Statistics Center revealed that Dubai government employees listed salaries, compensations, and financial benefits as their top priority when it comes to factors that make them happy at their jobs. The study, which surveyed more than 5,000 government employees in multiple fields, both Emirati and non-Emirati, men and women, aimed to reveal the 10 factors that make employees happy when it comes to their job. According to local reports, the DSC pointed out that the study aims to assess the current happiness level of Dubai government employees and to use the collected data to help departments better understand their employees' preferences. The study showed that 95% of respondents listed salaries as their top priority when it comes to a job criteria that would make them happy. In second place was positivity and work environment, followed by job security and stability in the third place, and opportunity for development and career progress in fourth place. A large number of government entities showed interest in taking part in the study, which surveyed employees over a period of 1 week. As sick building syndrome, SBS, is considered common in the UAE, health experts have warned employers to invest in better ventilation systems and air quality measures to ensure the health and safety of their employees. Health practitioners in the UAE stated that SBS is attributed to unhealthy or stressful factors such as poor ventilation and dust, fungal spores, and other airborne particles at workplaces. As workplace environment could be damaging to workers' health, it was suggested that UAE employers should be putting in place an environmental protection certification for office buildings to certify that the ventilation quality is on par with accepted standards. Highlighting the need for greater education about the illness, doctors also stressed that the effects of SBS are all the more harmful because they are less well known. While air pollution, poor ventilation, and the circulation of unclean air are the common causes of workplace-related illnesses, SBS, coupled with heavy workloads and longer periods spent on the computer, can worsen the situation. Advising workers to wash their hands frequently with soap and warm water, health experts pointed out that such measures can greatly reduce the transmission of infectious respiratory diseases from one person to another. And children afraid of doctors and hospitals will soon be able to take their sick toys for medical treatment in Dubai. The aim of this initiative, which was put forward by Mahmoud Jamal al-Din through the Mohammed bin Rashid Smart Majlis app and organized by the Mohammed bin Rashid University of Medicine and Health Sciences and the Knowledge and Human Development Authority, is to give children a positive hospital experience, which is hoped to then reduce their anxiety if they need medical attention themselves. The university will adapt their simulation center so that children can meet health workers who will assess and treat the toys. Toys that require surgery will be taken to a special operation room where children can watch the procedure being carried out. Dr. Abdullah Al-Karam, Director General of KHDA, was quoted in an official statement saying that the toy hospital is a great example of how government and can work together with the broader community to support children's happiness. We're looking forward to working with a team from Mohammed bin Rashid University of Medicine and Health Sciences, as well as schools and parents, to help children across Dubai develop a more positive perception of doctors and hospitals. The Dubai Police Maritime Rescue Department responded to 52 maritime incidents that resulted in 61 injuries and 1 death in the 8 months of 2016. May saw the largest number of incidents, with 21 incidents followed by March with 12. The incidents included drowning cases, boat and ship collisions, and distress calls. According to police officials quoted in local reports, the department's employees undergo periodic training to be able to handle all emergency situations around the clock and have access to the best tools used in rescue. The public is being urged not to take red flags and other warnings of bad weather lightly and to avoid swimming deeper than 300 to 500 meters into the sea to avoid strong waves and currents. In case of an emergency, people should immediately call 999. And finally, in the bulletin, a carefully curated selection from Fashion Forward Season 7 designers are currently being featured in the 3rd Fashion Forward pop-up store at Galleries Lafayette in Dubai Mall. Following the success of the 2nd retail partnership in March, Galleries Lafayette has joined forces with Fashion Forward for a 3rd consecutive season, selecting designers who have previously showcased at the biannual event as part of the fashion platform's recently launched Epic Samsung program. Epic, enabled by Samsung, endorsed by the Dubai Design and Fashion Council (DDFC) and supported by the Dubai Design District (D3), is an empowerment program that tackles business development challenges faced by regional designers through a series of initiatives. The pop-up is one of the first activations to take place in Epic's schedule, and it is hoped that through this particular location at the world's largest mall, fashion-forward designers can attain customer visibility, which is a prominent challenge faced by regional designers. Labels that customers will be able to browse through include Beirut-based Lebanese fashion designer Bashar Assaf, contemporary women's wear label Bedouin, Dubai-based label D by Dahlia, and fashion meets technology label Exosist. Meanwhile, the best apparel and accessories designers from the region will come together to showcase their new collections at Fashion Forward's 8th edition, taking place from October 20th to October 23rd at Dubai Design District.